Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Caravan tail light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 3157 bulb. Make sure your Dodge Caravan is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Now, locate the two visible screws on the inside edge of the tail light assembly. These are usually Phillips head screws, so your screwdriver will come in handy. Once you've located the screws, use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of them. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. After the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid prying it with excessive force. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the tail light assembly free, you'll see the bulb sockets. To access the faulty bulb, twist the specific socket for the tail light bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it out. Now, simply pull the old 3157 bulb straight out from its socket. It's a friction fit, so it should come out easily. Take your new bulb and carefully push it straight into the socket until it's fully seated. Now, reinsert the bulb socket back into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the assembly, making sure you hear a click to confirm it's properly seated. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting holes and push it back into position. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not overly tight. Before you finish, have someone check the brake lights and turn signals to ensure everything works correctly. Also, check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.